If you are looking for a business that can scale to 2.5 lakh rupees a month, starting with just the basic cleaning supplies found in most homes, this is your roadmap. This is the mobile car wash business. Instead of making customers drive to a shop, you come to them. You clean and detail their cars right in their own driveways, office lots, or apartment parking spaces. By the end of this video, I will provide the exact equipment list you need, a finalized pricing menu, and a word-for-word script to help you secure your very first paying customer today. People are busy. They often spend hours waiting in line at a traditional wash station. By removing that wait time, you solve a specific, high-value problem, and that is why customers are willing to pay for the convenience of a home service. Step 1 is gathering your supplies. Visit your local market for these items and avoid buying expensive pressure washers or heavy machinery when you are just starting out. You only need 5 essential items to launch: a bucket, car shampoo, microfiber cloths, a water pipe or basic spray gun, and tire cleaner. A small interior vacuum cleaner is an optional addition. You should only purchase one once your initial profits have covered the cost of your first kit. Keeping your initial overhead low ensures that you reach profitability within your first few days of work. You are trading your time for immediate cash without the burden of significant startup debt. Step 2 is setting your rates. Offering simple, tiered choices is important because it allows the customer to choose a price point that fits their budget. Start with a basic wash, an exterior-only clean between 200 and 500 rupees. Next, the silver package adds a dedicated tire polish. Finally, the gold package for full detailing includes deep interior cleaning, priced between 1,500 and 4,000 rupees. When starting out, set these prices on the lower end of your local average to help you quickly build a base of repeat clients. This 3-tier system shifts the customer's mindset. Instead of deciding whether or not to use your service, they are simply deciding which level of cleaning they need today. Step 3 is finding your first client. Your best opportunities will be in large residential societies, busy apartment complexes, and office parking lots where many cars are parked in one place. Namaste. I am starting a mobile car cleaning service. I can make your car shine right here in your parking spot. Would you like to try it out today? You should also share this same offer in local WhatsApp community groups and neighborhood Facebook pages to reach people digitally. However, direct conversation in a parking lot is often more effective. It allows the customer to see you and your equipment, which builds trust much faster than an online ad. Using a standardized script removes the need to improvise. It turns the sales process into a simple, predictable numbers game. Step 4 is service execution. Arrive on time, be polite, and pay close attention to small details like door handles and mirrors. You must take clear photographs of the car before you start and immediately after you finish. Post these transformation photos on Instagram. High-quality visual proof is the most effective way to build authority and attract new customers in your area. You can also print simple business cards to leave with satisfied customers or place under the windshield wipers of nearby cars. The physical labor on the car does more than earn you a fee. It generates the marketing assets you need to attract your next 10 clients. Step 5 is scaling. The goal of this business is not justifying daily washes, but to secure long-term repeat customers. Pitch your customers a monthly subscription. Offer a small discount in exchange for pre-booking 4 washes per month. This model ensures you start every month with a baseline of guaranteed income, making your revenue predictable. Here is how you reach the higher income targets. While one person working a full schedule can earn roughly 80,000 rupees a month, hiring 3 assistants to manage their own routes can bring your total monthly revenue to 2.5 lakh. Implementing this subscription and staffing model is what transforms a manual side hustle into a structured, scalable business enterprise. You now have the complete toolkit required to launch: the equipment list, the pricing tiers, and the sales pitch. This work is physically demanding. It requires hours in the sun and the willingness to approach strangers every day. The biggest factor that separates those who succeed from those who fail is the ability to move past the fear of talking to potential customers. Gather your supplies, head to your nearest parking lot, and start your first conversation today. Consistent action is what leads to that 2.5 lakh revenue target. If you are ready to start, hit like, subscribe, and comment the word CAR below. Let's get started.